people of Manipur now live as a diaspora outside of Manipur and even outside of India. So because of that existing gap from the motherland, how are the festivities carried out even today in spite of that distance?
Yeah, it is first of all this day of Ningol Chakoba. It is declared as a state holiday by the government of Manipur, and today, in today's date, it is celebrated by different social organizations, not only in Manipur but also across different places of India and abroad as well. Like for example, in 2019, on the when Ningol Chakoba was held in the month of November, different communities from Manipur who are now settled in South Korea, they had observed Ningol Chakoba along with their another festival which is known as Chavangkut. Chavangkut is an autumn harvest festival of the Kuki Chin Mizo community. And this was organized under the initiative of the Korea Manipuri Association at Anseong City in South Korea. And the joint theme, the joint event was celebrated under the theme called Ching Tam Amatani. Ching Tam Amatani in Manipuri means the hill and the valley both. The people of the hill and the valley both are one and the same. So this is Ching Tam Amatani. And Ningol Chakoba nowadays, it is even celebrated in Canada by the Manipuri Association of Canada, and at home in India, when we come to India, it is the Association of Manipuri Diaspora called Amand of Pune, which is a non-government, non-profit community organization founded by some working retired Manipuri professionals residing in and around Pune. This organization has been celebrating Ningol Chakoba events every year since 2016. And it is also celebrated by the Manipuri Metis Association of Bengaluru. There is another organization called Manipuris in Kolkata, MIK, which celebrate Ningol Chakoba at the Naktala Udayan Sangha in a place called Goriahat in Kolkata.
Right.
And different Manipuri dance performances, including the Manipuri classical dance form called Jagoe. And there is another popular folk dance of Manipur called Thabal Chongba, which is associated with the Holi festival. Holi in Manipuri is known as Yaoshang. And besides the Dasavatar Nritya, the Maibi dance, Kabui dance, etc., they are all organized to mark this event. It is actually a revival and reinforcement of the fraternal bond of love, responsibility, and protection that exists between brothers and sisters, and thus helps strengthen the family ties across different generations. It is also a day of socialization, which is exclusively meant for women to be with her parents and siblings in the place where she was born and where she grew up to be a young lady, and share with them the joys and sorrows of her married life. And therefore, popularly in Manipur, Ningol Chakoba is also known as Manipur's own Women's Day. So it is a kind of festival of homecoming, sharing, and merriment when people look beyond petty familial conflicts, sibling rivalries, etc.
Right.
And most importantly, in the present times, various conferences are also organized on this occasion. Conferences on issues like women empowerment, child health and nutrition, menstrual health and hygiene, on differently abled women, etc. These conferences are organized in several places of Manipur by different organizations who are associated with the cause. And prominent speakers with expertise on these areas, they are invited as the chief guests, like for example, a few years back, former Chief Minister of Manipur, Okra Mibobi Singh, he had hailed the changing trends of this festival of Ningol Chakoba, which has now taken to a kind of campaign mode, especially in the districts of Ukhrul, Chandel, and Tamenglong, for strengthening inter-community ties, especially for strengthening the ties between the hill and the valley people. And somewhere this is also aimed at sending out a message of peaceful coexistence and social and ethnic harmony, besides strengthening the age-old ties among the valley and the hill residents of Manipur. So the celebration of festivals such as Ningol Chakoba, it helps pave the way for social unification, for emotional integration, harmony among different ethnic groups and communities of the state. And it is some communities, they also call it by the name of Ningol Ningsing. Like many the Kuki Christians, who are largely Christians, they some sections among the Kukis, they call it by the name of Ningol Ningsing. And nowadays, even the police and other government departments, including Assam Rifles, they organize Ningol Chakoba feasts as a part of their civic action programs. And non-Manipuri families as well. This is another interesting aspect. The non-Manipuri families living in Manipur, such as the Marwari community, the Hindu Bengali community, they also invite their daughters and sisters for being a part of the Ningol Chakoba festivities at home.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.